In the heart of the vibrant meadow, a composed and resolute being challenges a swift creature to a test of speed. Filled with self-assurance, the fast animal proposes a challenge to prove their own supremacy. The beings in the meadow gather around in anticipation, eager to witness the race that could redefine reputations. Cheers and shouts fill the air, split between the swift participant and the persistent contender. The race commences with one swiftly accelerating while the other maintains a steadfast pace. Succumbing to complacency, the quick being surrenders to a peaceful sleep under the shade of a towering tree. Unfazed by distractions, the unwavering being continues to forge ahead, making steady strides towards the elusive goal. With a jolt, the fast being awakens, recognizing their error and hastily springing back into action. The endpoint draws near, with the persistent participant on the verge of claiming a victory that defies expectations. A wave of exultation washes over the meadow as the resilient winner triumphantly reaches the end, embraced by the ecstasy of success. Observing the conqueror with admiration tinged with humility, the vanquished participant comprehends the profound lesson learned in defeat. Amidst the revelry and joyous festivities, the essence of persistence and resilience reverberates across the exultant throng, etching a timeless lesson in their hearts.